Slightly more complex chemical reaction here. Now we have multiple reactants and multiple products. We also have 2 aluminum, 3 copper oxide, which just makes the math a little more difficult. We still need to look up the delta H's for each of these. Aluminum, we look it up, it is 0, so we have 2 times 0. In reality that doesn't matter, but when we get to a delta H that's non-zero, it does. Looking up in the table for CuO, we have 3 of those at negative 157.3. Adding those together, 2 times 0 is 0. Do the math, so the delta H of the reactants, make that a little clearer, totals up to negative 471.9. Product side, we have 3 copper, so 3 times, look up the value for copper, it is 0. Add on to that, we look up the value for Al2O3, it's negative 1675.7. And again, doing the math on that, calculating it all out, I'm just going to skip that step. Delta H of the products totals up to negative 1675.7. So then the delta H for the overall reaction is delta H of the products minus delta H of the reactants. So negative 1675.7 minus negative 471.9 gives us a total of negative 1203.8, units being kilojoules per mole. And again, since we have a negative delta H's tell us that the reaction is exothermic.